bounce back after 2 losses on the road. Delighted to be home again. Rebels are going for back-to-back wins for the first time in 2023. Thirikan Deveta getting a start in the second row. Wide ball. Bravovo inside. Drua Sissi. The Fijian Drua score first in Suva.
That's Fijian style of play of footy. That's more like the Drua.
Hold here, Blue.
Gosessa going long. Intercepted! Ramutamanda! Unbelievable! Try time again. Fijian Drua.
Wowee.
Oliveri, Sessi, the ball around the corner to Ramutamanda was a good one, and he has a man on the outside as well. And it's another try to the Fijian Drua. You cannot give them an inch because they're going to take it.
Set-up's good.
Good line out by the Melbourne Rebels. Advantage being played.
What did you say? Okay, no. Cancel advantage. It was
No advantage. It's cancelled, but it's still there for the Melbourne Rebels. Murphy getting very close. He's over. The captain, Darren Alungi. Salawa, Ravobo, short ball, great fend as well, and away they go again. Marcy has got another one for the Fijian Drua. Oh, aren't they happy? They are looking electric at the moment. Salawa, a short ball, Ravobo got through one, shrugs off more, and then got it away! Salawa! Over! Drua! Reigning tries in Suva.
They can't handle those two in the midfield. Just getting their hands free. And there's just support. There's just numbers around the ball every single time.
And from out wide, will this one come around? Yes, it will! Half-time at HFC Stadium in Suva in Super W Pacific, and it is the Fijian Drua leading the Melbourne Rebels by 33 points to 7. Gibbon. They continue to work to the right side. Canham. Lowrens, Gordon, Pincus, Callaway! Try! Welcome back. Rebels. And Hodges kicking across, and that's great work, but the cover is there. And the counter ruck is good from the Drua. They kick ahead. Nobody at the back. The race is on. Oh, wobbly old ball, and it's a try!
Of course they get the bounce.
The bouncing rugby ball falls nicely. A try to the Drua, and you can say that one's against the run of play earlier, Tanakabata. Michael Carney is out there for the Drua in 22 on debut. And this is great lead-up work, and Carter Gordon's going to keep them in the game for the moment. Try to the Rebels.
Really good try from the Rebels.
front in the second half as far as points scoring goes, so that's a little positive to take out of it. Can they have the final say? Mayava taking them on. The ball picked up and driven, and that could have been nasty. It's gone backwards though, and Callaway got it to Canham. And Josh Canham goes to ground, a couple of metres out, and there it is. Did he get it down though? He certainly got it across the line. Ponde Silly. There might have been a bit of a bubble there. The referee says try. And that'll do us. I think we'll let the crowd let you know how they feel about this one. First time in Suva in 2023. Sucking in the big ones. There's a bit of emotion in there as well, and why not? Because the Fijian Drua have knocked off an Australian team